the Hubli horror where the Prime Minister has targeted the Congress. In fact, Prime Minister's big attack in Karnataka while addressing the public has accused the Congress of victim shaming. Has also gone on to state that fundamentalists running amok. So that is the big development as far as this scathing attack where the Prime Minister has made. Neha, my colleague, joins me for more. Neha, good afternoon. Clearly, Prime Minister Modi not mincing his words while attacking the Congress. Tell us more.
Well, absolutely, Nivedana. You know, the state of Karnataka has been raked up. In fact, you know, a storm, in fact, has been raked up in the state of Karnataka here, you know, a political storm, wherein you're seeing that, you know, protests, of course, have been breaking out in various parts of the state. And even amidst that, the Prime Minister there coming down to Hubli now making a statement, and a very bold one at that, saying that, you know, it is the time of social media, suggesting that, you know, the videos of Prajwal Revanna that have been going viral are fake. Remember, the Congress party, of course, you know, had upped the ante against the centre, against the JDS, also now raising questions as to how Prajwal Revanna was allowed to flee to Germany. Sources, of course, suggesting that he is in Germany right now. But the bigger question, of course, Nivedana, that arises right now is about the fact that this is the political season. We're seeing statements being made left, right and centre by political parties. The Prime Minister there, we saw a retort.
All right, Neha, as you're pointing that out, rightly said, you are mentioning about the fake videos topic that the Prime Minister did state about. In fact, we'll just tell our viewers as to in which context this is, because the Prime Minister has clearly doubled down against fake videos, and the tech was misused to make my videos fake, is what the Prime Minister said. Also went on to state that losers resort to making obscene videos, and Prime Minister has appealed to report doctored videos and promises legal action against mock videos. Neha, just quickly coming back to you as far as this is concerned, of course, we were tracking two different developments as far as important remarks that the Prime Minister has made. Tell us more in the context of what he said about AI.
Well, yes, Nivedana, you know, of course, the recent videos of Prajwal Revanna that have been surfacing online have not put the BJP or the JDS in a very comfortable position here. In fact, you know, not only have these videos been going viral and causing embarrassment to the NDA alliance here in the state of Karnataka, but the fact that, you know, these videos have now surfaced and a complaint has been registered not only against Prajwal Revanna but also against his father there, H.D. Revanna. The Prime Minister now coming forth, even as the Congress government in the state jumped to form an SIT, jumped, in fact, you know, the Women's Commission, of course, in the state, immediately picked up this matter. They filed a police complaint, then a victim, in fact, you know, came forward. She filed a complaint, an FIR was registered, an SIT was formed, and now we're seeing the Prime Minister, of course, you know, not mincing his words there, making a very sharp attack at, you know, all of those, raising questions about this video, saying that, you know, of course, this is nothing but the videos being fake. In lesser words, of course, indirectly, he has said that, you know, these videos are fake. Now, the question, of course, Nivedana, arises here about the attack that the Congress party has made on the Prime Minister, saying that they shielded Prajwal Revanna, they allowed him to flee the country. We'll, of course, have to wait and see, even as the SIT has been formed in Karnataka and the investigation progresses on one hand. On the other hand, are heavily molded political statements coming out here from all the parties, cutting across party lines.
Right, Neha. I appreciate you putting things into context for us. Is the remark that is, of course, made by the Prime Minister in the purview of what we're currently seeing with that political controversy that's broken out in the state. But since we're talking about that particular remark, let's listen into what the Prime Minister had to say.
लेकिन जो लोग चुनाव हार चुके हैं, मैदान खो चुके हैं, ये लोग इन दिनों टेक्नोलॉजी का उपयोग करके फेक वीडियो बना रहे हैं। आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस का दुरुपयोग करते हुए मेरी आवाज में ऐसी भद्दी भद्दी चीजें आजकल सोशल मीडिया में डाल रहे हैं कि बहुत बड़ा खतरा पैदा हो रहा है। और इसलिए मेरी देशवासियों की अपील है कि कोई भी फेक वीडियो आपको नजर आए, आप पुलिस को जानकारी दो, हमारी पार्टी को जानकारी दो, कानूनी लोगों पर कार्रवाई होगी और उनको सबक सिखाया जाएगा।